In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up a WordPress site. Backing up your site is one of the simplest ways to protect your work, your content, and your peace of mind. If anything goes wrong during an update or a plugin conflict, a recent backup lets you restore everything quickly. You'll just need administrator access to your WordPress dashboard. First, head to your dashboard and look at the menu on the left. Find Plugins and then click Add New. This is the built-in marketplace where you can search and install trusted tools. In the search bar, type the name of a reputable backup plugin. A popular option is Updraft Plus. When you see it in the results, click Install Now. And once the button changes, click Activate. That's all it takes to add backup capability to your site. Next, open the plugin settings. You can usually find them under Settings in the left menu, or by clicking Settings below the plugin's name on the Plugins page. This area is where the plugin controls live. Don't worry if it looks detailed. You don't have to change anything advanced to make a solid backup. Now, create your backup. Look for the Backup Now button and click it. The plugin will prepare a snapshot of your site. That snapshot typically includes your database, things like posts, pages, comments, and settings, and your files, which cover themes, plugins, and media uploads. Keep your browser open while it runs. The duration depends on your site's size and your hosting speed, so give it a moment to finish. When the backup completes, it will appear in a list in the Plugins Backup section. You'll see separate items for the database and for your files, often grouped by plugins, themes, and uploads. Click each item to download it to your computer. Save them together in a clearly labeled folder with today's date so you can find them quickly later. It's a good idea to keep a copy somewhere safe, like an external drive or a secure cloud folder you control, so you're covered if your computer fails. That's it. You went to Plugins and added a new one, installed a backup plugin, opened its settings, clicked Backup Now, and downloaded your backup files and database. Make a habit of running a backup before major updates and on a regular basis so you're always protected. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the confidence that comes with having a complete, ready-to-restore copy of your WordPress site.